Hello 60 subscribers and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be opening another Stitch Fix box. We have a new guest with us today. This is Cindy.
Hi.
And you might also notice over on this side we've got Sarah. So Cindy and Sarah are sisters. And Sarah's just kind of here to give some sisterly advice as Cindy opens her box.
And I didn't know I was going to be here. Hence my hair.
How would you describe your style in general?
I like classic. I would like to have more like the capsule wardrobe.
How would you describe Cindy's style?
It's pretty in style. Is there such thing, modern classic?
Probably.
I would say kind of like that.
Did you guys share clothes as children?
I shared with no one. Everyone was tall.
There were 9 of us. I'm 4th from the top and she's 5th. Other of us could share clothes, but Cindy was little. We always said she was adopted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Because
what I
she didn't
got.
look like us, but she's really not.
Oh, we see some
Uh-oh.
patterns. First up, looks like we've got some nice warm tones just in time for the holiday.
It's soft and nice. It's not that I don't like stripes, so I might still like it.
Mm-hmm.
Is it brown? It's
think
hard
it's
in these
black.
lights.
Kind of holiday-ish.
Soft and yeah.
Everything's soft. That's what we always say.
And it's navy, I believe.
Oh, those are cute jeans. Who are those by?
Judy Blue. See,
Oh,
I've never
okay.
tried that before.
New brand.
Yeah.
Cindy's modeling the first 3 pieces from the box. Starting up top, we've got the Abriana cardigan by 41 Hawthorne.
What do you think, Sarah?
I have had both of those tops in previous boxes.
Very lightweight.
And I really did like the cardigan.
It's really soft, like everything they send you. Sleeves are really long. It's long enough.
But I had similar pieces already, so I didn't buy it. But I liked it.
When you have such lightweight, then you can layer everything too.
Underneath the cardigan, Cindy is wearing the Arnold Raglan knit top, also by 41 Hawthorne.
It's nice. It's comfortable. It's about 3/4 length sleeve this time.
See, I had that too, and I did not like it on me, but I really think it's cute on you. I didn't like that.
Yeah.
I don't really like stripes or make me look too buxom.
Okay.
And that's where
I didn't want stripes
Yeah.
because they always go crooked on me. I am scoliosis. So I don't like stripes, but I would always put something over it.
You would wear that then? Like
Yeah, because it's so thin, and lately I just seem to have such bulky clothes.
On the bottom, Cindy is wearing the Judy Bloom Adeline Girlfriend jean in indigo.
turn around, let's see the back. Those are really cute.
Mm-hmm.
And they do have pockets though.
Real
But they're
pockets.
thin. A lot of times with stretchy jeans, when you bend over, they kind of fall off.
Oh, sure, yeah.
And these don't. I don't think these will. But yet they're the comfortable stretchy. I can wear my booties.
Or you can wear tennis shoes like that, so they could go spring, summer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're
Your
all
ankles
year round.
showing.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
a versatile cut.
Yep,
Mhm.
I like it.
Okay. We are back. We pulled Sarah off the sidelines and in front of the camera. Cindy's modeling the 4th item from the box. This is the Paper Moon Larry crewneck blouse.
And she did bring her own jacket from her closet,
Well, you
which
can't keep
looks
things
like
unless it goes
horrible.
with something else.
What do we call those sleeves? Bells?
little bell sleeve,
Mhm.
3/4. You've got a little side tuck in, so it's not an actual angle cut.
No, it's
Uh-huh.
straight. It's very lightweight. Again, all about the layering of the 3rd piece, and then you're comfortable, not too hot. It's light.
It feels a little granular.
I'm gonna
Yeah, it is.
zoom in on the patterns.
It's nice.
Very
I
nice.
like it.
Box. Cindy is wearing the Fun to Fun Maylee pleated detail top. She's paired the top with looks like a black blazer that she found in her closet, and she is still wearing the jeans from the Stitch Fix box.
Do you ever see me in anything like that, Sarah?
No, but I like it.
So floral, I usually don't go for. I'm kind of solid colors. If I'm gonna buy things, I want to make sure it goes with other things in my closet. So I have plenty of black, and this would just spice up the black, I guess.
Distressed jeans, kind of gives it a more casual feel, but like you could put that on with a black pair of business pants too, and that blazer, and really change up the look just by switching out your pants.
Yeah.
First item up for Bag It or Untag It is the Mix by 41 Hawthorne Arnold Raglan knit.
I liked it. It fit. I'll take it.
Nice. All right.
Next up are the jeans.
I have a lot of very dark wash jeans, but I do not have a lot of. I have light like this, but not the in between. So goes in.
2 for 2.
Third item.
Whenever it's the 3rd piece and it's something I don't have, I get to keep it.
This is the
Number
Paper Moon
4.
Larry crew neck blouse in burgundy.
I'm keeping it because of the color. I think it's
Yeah.
really,
I think
really
it's
good.
cute.
So far we've got 4 untaggets and we're on the last piece.
Again, I have nothing like it. And Sarah said it was festive, right, Sarah?
I love it.
Yeah.
It's festive, yeah.
It looks really good on you.
You'll see it on Thanksgiving.
Excellent.
Thanks for watching my video. Thank you, Cindy, for joining us. And thank you, Sarah, for your
Yes.
commentary.
Thanks, Sarah.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And we will see you in the next video. If you were sitting on Santa's lap right now, what would you ask for?
You know, whenever you do that, then they just don't leave you. Okay.